Good morning, I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady, and today I'm working on Margarete Miller's collage assignment number 38. We need something found in the kitchen, and I like this little purple, I don't know what you call it, mixer. A color that reminds me of summer is pink and purple, and there is also a little yellow in there. A book page. I have this book from the I don't know what it was called, Santa Chronicles or something. No, that's a movie. I forget. Some kind of old Christmas anthology. That's what it was. Christmas anthology. Something with holes. I didn't think of that yet, but I do have my musical instruments, and they kind of do have like holes coming out and going in, so we'll count that as holes. I've also got this, and these of course all have holes in them. I'm not sure which one I'm going to use, or if all three, or just two, or I don't know yet, but that's that. And a tag. So I'm going to make, actually, I'm going to just kind of make a fabric tag with this, cover it up. And also the background is going to be the book page with a little bit of this kind of in the corners, I do believe. So my first order of operation is going to be figure out where I need to trim this off. And I hope you're doing well. I hope you're happy and healthy and safe. And we've got this here, and then I thought I would put this envelope in here, and then when I'm done with the prompts, I'm just going to put them in this envelope. I know it doesn't actually match with this, but perhaps someday I'll change it. I don't know, but for now, that's what's going to happen. And I actually do have, I was just thinking, where is it? This paper would look pretty in there. Maybe I'll make the envelope out of that, but not in this video. Okay, so let's see. Get this down, cut. How's your end of summer going? Are you glad it's over, or do you wish it was still on? Or do you wish it was still here? So I was going to, I still see my little pencil mark there, but it's probably going to be covered anyway, I have a feeling. But let's go ahead and ink this up, and then we can glue it down. It's got some darker edges naturally. We're just going to enhance them a little bit. So the mixer looks so modern compared to all my other items there, but that's okay, because that's what I'm going with. Okay, so that's going to go like that. Let's get our glue out. My gluing paper. And this is the first time I'm using my new book that I made, new journal for this. I feel like, why did I'm feeling like, why did I make all these coffee dyed papers if I'm just going to cover them all up? Let's do this. Let's do that, shall we? I don't want to cover up all that coffee dyed paper. I worked hard making that. At least not in this prompt, this week's prompt. We're just going to go ahead and do that. And maybe like a little bit here. Like that. And then that way I'm not covering everything up. Let's do that, yeah. Alright. I'm just going to go ahead and do it right on top of the page. See how that works? I guess I'm going to move it over to this edge. There's this here, but maybe I can put some washi tape or something on that. Let's do that. And then this is going to go on the bottom. The purple and pink are what remind me of summer. Got a lot of purple and pink flowers. In fact, I have purple petunias and pink impatiens on my porch right now. Alright, so that's going to be like that. Now we've got this. Maybe I could put that like that, maybe? Or should I put the instruments like that? Put this up here. I don't even know which way this should go. This way, I guess. Probably use both of these and not this. Alright, so we've got that and that. And the only thing I have left is my tag, which I need to glue my fabric on. And where will that go? Let's figure out where the tag is going to go first. I just need a little piece of a corner here, and we'll glue it down. I'm going to cut it with fabric scissors first, and then I might cut out the final piece with my pinking shears. This is pretty fabric, but it's definitely modern. So it kind of ties in with the modernness of that. Alright. I feel like I should probably use Fabri-Tac. Oh, and you know what? This has holes in it. That has a hole in it. Ew, what's this gross stuff? So maybe I could just punch a couple holes in this. Maybe I'll do that too. Punch a couple little holes in something. This is probably gonna show through. Well, maybe not. Maybe it's dark enough. Okay. So that's going to be that. Let's go ahead and see if I can cut this off. There's a little piece right there. It's not straight. Oh well. This. That's not so bad. And I can actually put a little eyelet in there. And I feel like I should have made this a pocket. I think I'm going to just kind of put that like that. I'm going to put a tie in it so you can tell it's actually a, you know, a tag. So I got my crocodile, and I'm going to I think this side is the bigger one. Yep, and of course there's something stuck in there. I'm going to poke out this hole here. Perfect spot. And I was debating if I should put a purple eyelet, but I think I'm going to actually put a green eyelet to go with the leaves. I don't think these colors would match at all. And you know, when I bought red, I thought I was getting pink. I don't use red very often for anything, really. So let's get this open. Oops. It is not that easy to find eyelets, you know. It really isn't. They don't sell them in the stores. And at least not in my Michael's store. I probably should cut that out with my little baby scissors, which I don't seem to know where they are now. Jeepers. I just had them. How could I not see them? Didn't work too well, but... Alright, so we're going to set that. I think that looks great. And maybe this color would look better. I think that's almost like too fluorescent. Oh boy. I think I said this one, didn't I? Let's try both of those. So we got that one, and we got this one. I think we're going to go with that one, which kind of surprises me, but that's what we're going to do. And then we're going to find something to this way. Put through there. So that's good. And I would like to get just maybe some fabric. A fabric tie. Like a plain color tie. So let me go find that. So I got this yellow checked fabric and these greens. I don't like the light green, but I kind of like how this looks. So let's check that out. If I don't like it, I'll just take it out. And put the green one in. I feel like maybe it's too much green. I don't know. I don't know. Let's try a green piece and see what we think. I'm not sure. There we go. Yeah, I like the green better for sure. Alright, so I'm just going to glue this down. I'm going to glue this here. What else did we have? Our instruments. Maybe I'm only going to have room for one instrument. Which way does this go? Like that? Alright. Like that. Maybe I can move this up. Put that like this. I feel like you can't really see that one almost, you know? But do we have everything we need? Something found in the kitchen. Color that reminds me of summer is all these colors. Something with holes in it. This has got a hole. The instruments have a hole. Book page. Musical instruments. And a tag. So I think that's it. Let's glue everything down. And I think I'm going to use Fabri-Tac for the tag. Maybe I'll just put the tag here in the middle. Put that there. Oh gosh. I don't know. Where's that other thing I was going to use? Maybe I would like it better. Maybe. And then I could just put that there like that. That's 2 instruments. Or we could just put this here. And that would be it. Maybe I should put a little pocket for the tag. I don't know. I think I'm just going to go ahead and glue it down. I'm overthinking. Tell me what you would do. Would you glue this down or put it in a pocket? There. I kind of like this being able to poke out at the top rather than the bottom. And now we'll do our glue sticks on these. What colors do you associate with summer? I always associate green with spring. And then color comes, you know, when the flowers come out. Oops. Oops. Get over there, handle. Okay, so we got that there. And isn't that funny? I didn't think I would be using this one. But you know what? It's got the colors too. So I think it goes good with this prompt, or with this assignment, because it does have all the summer colors just like the tag. So that's that, and I'm going to go ahead and put this in the pocket for now until I make another pocket. And I think I'll go ahead and use my envelope punch board to make that pocket. So stay tuned for that video coming out. It's going to be real quick. I'm just going to make an envelope punch board with this. Probably have to get a bigger piece of this, but with this or something similar. I don't know if this is going to be, well, you know what? I don't know if it's going to be big enough, but we'll see. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.